Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 4.2 question number 6. What is in the question? A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was produced on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So what we have to calculate, we have to find the number of articles produced per day. So I will consider, let the total number of pottery articles produced per day, is equals to x. We have assumed the total number of article that we can produce on one day is equals to x. So what will be the cost of production? Cost of production according to the question, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, it was the cost of production for the whole, but we have to calculate for x only, so it will be 90 over x. So according to the condition, look at this line, it was observed on a particular day that cost of production of each article, means cost of production, if I am going to interpret this, cost of production, underline this, of each article was means is equals to 3 more means 3 plus twice the number of articles. Twice the number of articles means x. So what is the cost of production? We have calculated it here, that is 90 upon x is equals to 2x plus 3. Take x on the other side, it will become 90 equals to x into 2x plus 3, and after opening the bracket I am getting 2x square plus 3x equals to 90. Take this 90 on the other side, what will you get? 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0. So here the product is 2 multiplied by minus 90 is minus 180, and sum we get as 3. So what will be the factors? The suitable factors will be 15 and 12. 15 and 12, 15 12 is 180, and 15 minus 12 will be 3. So we have to put the sign of negative in front of 12 because I want the plus 3. So what will be next? I will split this 3 into two parts, 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. You can make the factors by the LCM also. By the LCM you can easily calculate the which will be the factors. So by taking the after doing the pairing, what will we get? X from the first bracket, 2x plus 15 and minus 12, that will be minus 6. You can take 2x plus 15, 15 6 and 90. So I am getting 2x plus 15 again common from these two brackets, and x minus 6 equal to 0. I am getting now two factors. There are two factors. So I will equate both of the factors. 2x plus 15 equal to 0 and x minus 6 equal to 0. Take 15 on the other side. From this part, take 15 minus 15 upon 2, and here x equals to 6. So I can't take x as negative. Why? Because we have assumed the total number of pottery articles produced per day is x. So we can't take it as negative. So rejected, that part is rejected. We will write the reason here as production cannot be negative. Production cannot be negative. So the value of x will be equals to 6. Therefore, number of pottery, we will declare at last the pottery articles produced per day is equals to 6, and the cost of production, because in the question it was mentioned there, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So number of article we have taken as x and the cost of production as 90 over x. So cost of production will be 90 by 6, that will be rupees 15. And that was the last question of my this exercise 4.2, and with this question my exercise 4.2 is completed now. Thank you very much.